Hello students. So today we have discussed about some questions about electrostatics. This is the second year plus two second year physics. So what are the questions? So the first one is the a polythene piece is rubbed with wool and is found to have a negative charge. This is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So calculate the number of extra electrons on the polythene pieces. So in this case, so what is the answer? Here the total charge is, this is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Okay. So calculate the number of extra electrons on the polythene pieces. So now calculate the number of extra electrons, but according to the quantization of charge, so this is Q equal to Ne, so implies that N equal to, this is Q by E, so this is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, so it is calculated, then find out the final answer, and that value is 6.3. This is 2.25. This is 2.25 into 10 to the power 12 electrons. Okay, so this is the 2.25 into 10 to the power 12 electrons. Okay, so then the another question. So 1 coulomb equal to, this is 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 charge on an electron, and this is equal to 6.625 or 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 into charge on electron. So finally 1 coulomb is much greater than the charge on an 1 electron. Okay, so how many electronic charge form 1 coulomb of charge? So 1 coulomb of charge equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 charge on an electron. Okay, clear? And the next one, the next question is, find the another question is, find the electrostatic force between two protons placed in free space separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. So कैसे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स बिटवीन टू प्रोटॉन्स? दो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स होता है. सो हियर Q1, this is equal to Q2, and that value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, because the two protons have same charge, so that value is Q1 equal to Q2, so 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So separation between two charges is, this is 20 centimeter, that means 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so according to the Coulomb force, F equal to, this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into charge of electric protons 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 square divided by 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, so it is solved, then find out the final value, and that value is, this is 5.76 into 10 to the power minus 27 force, right? Unit is Newton. Okay, so this is the very simple answer. So the next one is, the next question is, another question is, a pith ball capital A having mass 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 kg carry a charge of 5 microcoulomb. What must be the magnitude and sign of the charge on a pith ball B held at 2 centimeter directly above the pith ball capital A? Okay. So in this case, in equilibrium, force F equal to mg, and this is equal to Coulomb force 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. So implies that the value of mass of a pith ball A, this is 9 into 10 to the power minus 5, and the value of G is 9.8, and this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So charge, same charge. So the first pith ball charges 5 microcoulomb, that means 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into charge, another charge is q2, divided by the separation between them is 2 centimeter, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay. So if it is calculated, then the value of q2 is 7.84 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. Okay. So this is the final answer. And the another question is, what are the question? The question is, two electrons are placed, one at north pole and other at south pole of Earth. Find the force between them. The diameter of Earth is 12,800 kilometers. So here, this is the distance between two charges. So R equal to 12,800 kilometer. That means 12,800 into 10 to the power. Okay, 3 meter. So this is the R, and charge q1 is also equal to q2. The charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but the nature is this is negative. So the force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square, and this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into the charge is this is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole square to the power 2, divided by distance square is this is 12,800 into 10 to the power 3 to the power whole to the power 2, and it will be calculated, and the final value is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 32 Newton. Okay. So these are the questions in the topic of electrostatics. So the next questions are discussed in the next video.